Ring flying camera. Most indoor cameras just monitor a single room. The ring flying camera can move around your home and monitor multiple rooms. Its manufacturers claim it's the world's first flying indoor security camera. You can actually preset the flight paths that you want the camera to fly in. Using the app on your phone, you can see a live HD video of each flight in the areas you're monitoring. The drone has navigation sensors to help it move safely inside your home. When it's finished flying, it will return to its docking point to recharge. The Ring flying camera is compatible with other Ring alarm security systems. For instance, if a Ring alarm contact sensor is triggered, the flying cam can be trained to fly to that point, to video what caused the sensor to go off. You can also program the flying cam to fly different paths in your home. It will fly one path, then recharge before flying the next one. Keep in mind that the flying camera is for indoor use only. Moly Robotic Kitchen. The Moly Robotic Kitchen is a fully automated robotic kitchen. Once installed, the robot can cook complete meals, and it will even tell you when ingredients need replacing. You can adapt your menu and get the robot to cook certain dishes according to your lifestyle. It's even able to cook international cuisine. The robot will suggest dishes based on the items you have in stock, and it learns what you like, and even cleans up surfaces after itself. Restocking the ingredients can be done two ways. You can either order all the necessary ready-to-cook ingredients in bespoke Moly containers with home delivery, or choose the best fresh ingredients and prepare them for the robot yourself. Once you've prepared the ingredients and placed them in the Moly containers, you choose a recipe, and the robot will cook it for you. At the moment, there are thousands of world-class chef recipes to choose from. I can see a few restaurants installing a robotic kitchen to provide a unique and futuristic dining experience. Once you've watched the video, tell us in the comments which product you like the best. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. If you're watching on a mobile phone, click the More Videos icon in the bottom right, then click subscribe. Thanks, we really appreciate it. LifeSmart Nature X. Smart technology is becoming more and more popular in our homes. This multifunctional gateway aims to simplify the control of all your smart devices. Link up your smart devices, and with this one controller you can adjust your curtains, lights, room temperature, music and many more. The center knob features an LED screen, telling you the settings of the device you're adjusting. Turning the knob will give you precise control of your curtains, and the brightness of your lights. The device can be programmed to give you one-click control over different scenarios, like leaving the house, arriving home, or going to sleep. It's even got a built-in speaker to play your favorite playlists. Fix-Its. Fix-Its are a moldable fixing stick that can repair a number of small items in your home. Take for instance your mobile phone charging cable. Fix-Its can easily repair a damaged cable. Start off by boiling your kettle and filling a cup with hot water. Then take a Fix-It stick and place it in the water. Once the stick has melted, pull off a piece and mold it to your cable. Once it sets, you'll have a rubber collar on your cable fixing the damage. The Fix-It stick have no expiry date, so you can keep them in your drawer for emergency use. If you need to remold a piece, just place it back in hot water and remold to the desired shape. The number of items you can fix is almost endless. Users have sent an example of repairs to glasses, chair legs that needed a little extra height, and things like making a door handle more comfortable to grip. Don't throw away something that's slightly damaged, use a Fix-It strip instead. Smart Radiator Thermostat. Many radiators come with a built-in thermostat that you can manually adjust for temperature. These smart thermostats can be used in conjunction with motion sensors to turn on your radiators when you arrive home and walk through the door. This smart thermostat by Aqara will control the temperature of your radiators based on the actual room temperature. You can group multiple radiators together and the thermostats can receive the temperature readings directly from the connected Aqara sensor in another corner of the room. The smart thermostat also uses voice control, so you can turn on the heat without even getting off your seat. This means you can accurately control the room's temperature. The thermostats can turn on the heating when you're away from home, so that you can come home to a warm house. Sobro Coffee Table. Not only does the Sobro Coffee Table feature a sleek exterior finish, but it's also packed with the latest technology. You can set the mood, or start the party with rich, deep sound quality coming from the two built-in Bluetooth speakers. Underneath the table, LED lights will light up the room, and set the perfect ambience. 2 USB charging ports, and 4 outlets, mean that all your guests can charge their devices on the table. You can even connect the audio from your TV to the table, and it will use the table's speakers for your TV. There are 2 drawers in the front of the table, and one of them is refrigerated. Now you can keep your beverages cold, and if you like, you can precisely adjust the temperature, using the touch panel on the tabletop. The Sobro table is really easy to set up. All you need to do is screw in the legs and plug it in. MixPad D1. The MixPad D1 is a smart dimmer switch. Each switch can be connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. The switches feature an LED display that allows you to control your lights and other settings as well. The screen can show you things like the weather, the time and the date. Swipe left or right to access the light control, and you'll see the slider for the dimmer. The switch also features a vacation setting and an automatic setting. Vacation mode turns on your lights at random times to make it appear that you're at home. Whereas automatic mode will turn on your lights when the light sensor detects that it's too dark. A feature that we really like is the intercom. It allows for two-way communication between 2 switches. There's also a broadcast button so you can tell every room in your home that dinner's ready. Family Hub Refrigerator. This product from Samsung is making us rethink the refrigerator. They've embedded a touchscreen into the door that you can sync with your smartphone, so you can do away with magnets on your door. With the screen, you can share your kids' artwork, post your videos or even scribble notes on the screen. Swipe down on the screen to view what's inside the fridge without even opening the door. The handy calendar will let you see who's doing what, and when. And you can add any last-minute entries to the calendar using your phone. If you're into watching your favorite TV chef whilst making a new meal, you can watch the latest show by mirroring your TV to the Family Hub screen. The Family Hub will also enable you to control other smart devices in your home, using voice commands or the touchscreen. Candle. If you have trouble putting your phone down at night, then this device could help you disconnect. Many of us struggle to turn off our phones at night, and according to medical research, this can cause us to struggle to get to sleep. The designers of Candle have created an aesthetically pleasing charging cable to encourage you to leave your phone on charge. The cable has a stone bowl with a flickering light inside. This begins to flicker when you plug your phone in. This makes putting your phone down a more visible, conscious choice. Candle's relaxing light is a charming reminder to stay offline. Every aspect of the design has been carefully thought through. The cast stone exterior, the woven nylon cord and the real wood cable end are all designed to give you a rich tactile experience that you'll look forward to each day. Indoor Smart Plug. These indoor smart plugs are an easy way to turn your household devices into smart devices. Let's say you would like the ability to turn on your coffee machine at a certain time. Plug the coffee machine into the smart plug and turn it on. Now you can control the smart plug with your phone and switch it on or off, or you can choose a specific time to turn it on. The Bluetooth app that you use on your phone is free to download. You could also plug certain lamps in your home to these smart plugs, and set timers for their operation whilst you are away on vacation. The smart plug has a compact design, so it will leave the adjacent socket open for use. Cube Smart Lamp. Snap these individual cube lights together, and create your own unique design. You can make fully customizable vertical or horizontal stacks. And then using the app on your desktop or phone, you can program them to display different graphics. You can create hundreds of different configurations to fit your particular setup. The cubes snap together using magnets, and look great when you're gaming or listening to music. Well done for reaching the end of the video. Tell us in the comments which product you like the best. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss future videos. If you're watching on a mobile phone, click the More Videos icon in the bottom right, then click subscribe. Thanks, we really appreciate it.